Alright, we're going to be taste testing the Dairy Queen's new Blizzard Oreo hot cocoa. And we're going to be giving you our 2 cents.
Oh, and yeah. I'm the maker of these beautiful Blizzards.
And normally they don't come with this much cool whip. I got on my butt.
Not really.
Alright, you ready?
Is it good?
That's pretty good.
It's good, not on the floor.
Tastes like brownie batter.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maldale.
I got it on my shirt.
You got it on my pants. Tori, this is going on YouTube. We can't.
You can.
Anyway.
That's good.
Yeah, normally it doesn't come with as much Cool Whip. And our manager would actually throw a fit. Yeah. So Dairy Queen has a new line of Blizzards. You can choose from the Oreo hot cocoa, chocolate dipped strawberry with, what do you call that? Ghirardelli. Or there's pumpkin pie. What's that last one? Snickerdoodle and Reese's Outrager.
Really good, yo.
I hate pumpkin pie, so I'm not gonna try their Blizzard. But I love chocolate dipped strawberry. That one's good. So my favorites are right now are this one and Oreo or chocolate dipped strawberry. Which one you like? Which one you like?
I gotta go with the regular Oreo.
Really?
The regular Oreo. I like that more than this.
I like this one better. Tastes like brownie batter. Tristan took so long and now mine's melting.
And Tristan put his all over the floor.
Alright, you're mopping it up.
You're cleaning that, boy. Yes, you are.
We got a customer. But I'm not going to clock back in until all these people leave. Alright. Time to rate it. Scale of 1 to 10. Should we do 1 to 10 or 1 out of 5 stars?
1 out of 5.
Alright. How many stars do you give this?
A 4.7.
Really?
You just smell it?
Yeah. I think I'd give it a... I don't know. Probably a... I think it deserves a 4.3.
I agree with that.
No, there's just a lot of Cool Whip on this one. Alright. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to him too.
I'm Bo Cephas.
His name is Bo Cephas. Ignore her back there. Alright.